Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we are still working on our questions on EMFT. Okay, so this question states a circle centered at the origin with a radius of 2 units lies in the xy plane. Determine the unit vector in rectangular components that lies in the xy plane is tangent to the circle at root 3 negative 1 0 and is in the general direction of increasing values of x. Okay, so now this our coordinates of the circle is given as, let's say, root 3 ax minus ay. That is our coordinates for the circle because it's an xy plane. It's an xy plane. Okay. So how do we find a perpendicular or coordinate tangent to this? Let's give an example. Given, say, let me say, q ax plus eay. If I want to find the coordinate tangent to this, all I have to do is to interchange the positions of Q and P and negate either of them. So the uh, the coordinate tangent to this is EAX plus QAY. So plus QAY. But after this, I'll have to negate either of them. So I'll negate negative PX. Or I can write EAX minus QAY. So either of these coordinates are going to be tangent to the coordinate QAX plus PAY. But how do we determine which one to use in this question? The question goes on to tell us that it is in the general direction of increasing values of x. So if I come to these two values, I realize that one value of x is negative and one value of x is positive. Hence, we take the positive x coordinates because that one will be the direction of the increasing values of x. Let's come back to our question. So, per our understanding the px and qay, we are going to interchange the positions of the coefficients. So we are going to get negative ax plus root 3ay or ax minus root 3ay. Either of them are correct, but we want the increasing function of what? Or is in the general direction of the increasing values of x. Hence, we are going to choose the one with the positive x value. That is the second one. Okay. So we are going to take our what? I'm going to take our ax plus our root 3ay. Here became plus because there's a negation here, hence we'll get a negative. That will give us the plus root 3ay. Okay. So that is what we are going to do. We are going to find the unit vector of this ax plus with 3ay because we said we should find the unit vector of in rectangular component of the xy plane that is tangent to this value. To the unit vector of ax, let me assign maybe n to this. So the unit vector of n should be equal to the vector ax plus root 3ay all over the square root of their coefficient, that is 1 squared plus root 3 all squared. What do we get? We are going to get ax plus root 3ay all over 2. That is going to be 0.5 ax plus root 3 on 2 ay. And this is our final answer. Thank you.